Hey everyone, welcome to CresTV. I didn't know what I was doing. We're out on location here in beautiful Bali, and I found this man, Higgsy, who normally doesn't get out of Australia, but we've got you here in Bali. You're looking a little bit red here. How's Bali?
I've been enjoying the sun a little bit this morning. It's all work for the last few days, and so I've been able to get out and just enjoy a bit of a swim this morning and a cocktail by the pool before I fly back home this afternoon. So it's been good so far.
Yeah, notice the casual Aussie and the smart-looking Brit in my shirt. I am sweating and working for you getting this content. Now, as I say, we've been talking all week about the new certified Automate VX that's just been certified for Microsoft for MTR. Higgsy, talk us through what Automate VX now means to Teams and Teams Room customers to be able to access those more larger, complex, divisible rooms with MTR.
Ultimately, the thing that excites me most about Automate VX is that we've now got a solution that brings true AI to those large, complex meeting spaces. When you think about those flexible workspaces that have more than just the use case of 4-wall rooms, we want to expand beyond that. We want flexible workspaces. You might have multiple desk orientations that you want to work with. We talk about having a production crew with you just to be able to change the layout of these rooms and be able to orchestrate an amazing meeting. Where Automate VX comes in is it takes that headache away, where you can have these scenarios where you can flex between the different orientations of the room just by pressing a button, and it automatically changing the location of the microphones and the beamforming and camera directions seamlessly for our customers. The other thing I love about it is that when we're thinking about signature rooms and designing for signature rooms and meeting equality, there's no better solution than the Automate VX that can really bring this solution to life. In fact, we use it internally at Microsoft in some of our boardrooms and large meeting spaces as well. It's so great, and it's just a true testament to see that Crestron and One Beyond partnership and really, really excelling, and I can't wait to see what more solutions come into the space. Very
cool. Now, you mentioned signature rooms there. We've been riffing all week about going one better than a signature and maybe an autograph room. What do you think about that?
Autograph room, I like the sound of that. I see like there's going to be tiers now, like signature rooms is that principle that we've built, and then we're going to take it one step further with autograph rooms, and who knows, we might have like calligraphy rooms, which is like the best possible meeting space, but trademark pending.
Lovely. All right, so we're obviously talking about Automate VX here, and you mentioned obviously like seating speakers, things like the Shores, the Sennheisers, if you want those, and an external DSP. Obviously, this isn't going to go into like an off-the-shelf, basic bar. This is going to have to go into like a Windows MTR for those more complex spaces.
Yeah, absolutely. And to be honest, if you look at the way that we roll out our portfolio of devices, Android has always been that all-in-one device, specifically designed for those small and medium meeting room spaces, where you need that extensibility, when you need more flexibility around customizations of the rooms and so forth. That's where Teams Rooms on Windows really excels, and Crestron Flex is the perfect product for that. We take that one step further with just some of the features that are in development at the moment. A lot of them are landing on Windows first, purely because Microsoft, we own the Windows operating system, so we've got that flexibility and agility to be able to bring those new solutions into market. Those new features landing on Windows first. So definitely seeing things like a complex solution such as Automate VX get certified, attaching to a Teams Rooms on Windows solution is really, really going to help our customers expand.
Cool. Now, again, we've been here, and it wouldn't be a Microsoft MTR talk without saying Copilot, Copilot, Copilot. So
that's for you, Jimmy Vaughan.
That's for you, Jimmy Vaughan. There, straight from here at Bali. But again, talk us through what is Copilot going to add to MTR rooms?
Yeah, it's a really good question. We obviously understand that M365 Copilot is going to really transform productivity for the users that are working with applications such as Teams and Outlook and Excel and PowerPoint and beyond. But what it actually means for a meeting room is that as long as we're equipping our meeting room solutions with AI solutions that can help frame and identify speakers inside the room, it's going to help obviously things like intelligent meeting recap with Teams Premium, as well as also when you interact with Copilot, asking who said what in the meeting. It's so important to get that speaker identification right when it comes to using things like Copilot. If at the end of the day, if we can't identify who's talking in the room, then it's just the conference room doing all that talking, and that's that information's no good. I want to know when Neil's saying my name, and so I want to be able to see, track the conversation based on that identification of those people inside the meeting room. So, and at the end of the day, we also want to feel included in the meeting spaces as well. So our direction in the future of intelligent cameras and is really going to help drive that. And so that's that better together story, arming the meeting rooms equipped with the relevant and right technologies so that when you use applications and features that are associated with Copilot, that you get the most out of that product.
Very cool. Right. Loads of information there. Automate VX now certified for MTR for Windows. Copilot coming for MTR for Windows. We're in Bali. It's blooming hot. It's blooming humid. I need to go and get a t-shirt on, and I think we need to go and check out the pool.
Let's jump in the pool, mate. Let's go.
Awesome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, ring the bell, do all that good stuff, and catch us on the next episode of CresTV. Maybe not in such an amazing location as here in Bali, but we'll catch you on the next one.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.